No, don't stop me. Audience, I found something kind of interesting last night. I don't care if no one's talking about it. I'm talking about it. I don't care. So let's get on to it, all right? Come on. No, come here. Hey. We're gonna do this together. Totally at the beach, guys. Totally at the beach. Yeah. No, this is a green screen. What are you saying about the beach? Come on, don't be stupid. Come on, just think. Hey, I'm back. So here's the thing. This is called Black Ink. It is an art program. I know, snore, but I'm a freelance illustrator, so kind of my thing to explore this stuff. Yo, I tried this last night. Don't go on a trip and you see some of this shit for real. Watch this shit. Just watch. Here we go. Aim the mic this way, dummy. Mike. Okay. Give me a great blooper wheel. Let's just mess around for a second. I'm not gonna draw for real, it's just for example purposes. Now check this out. Little stuff like that, you know, pretty typical. Okay. Now check this out. What? What? This is my pen. What the heck? The little drawing there. What up? Look at that. Haiku. Totally haiku. I know Japanese. No, I don't. That's a lie. But then it gets really complicated. Like little dots. I love this. Oh, I saw this one last night. Check that out. But yo, I need y'all to check this out real quick. This is crazy. Here we go. Watch this. Holy crap! What? I'm in the sun? The sun? How am I in the sun? You see that? No. Then it gets more complicated. That's not even the complicated part. I haven't even touched complicated yet. Look, little fur and all that. Now, what's a real crazy one? Hold on, I'm gonna find it. Oh, this is one of them though. Check this out, the celluloid one. Oh, I gotta use it for something. Look at this. The grid. Look at this grid. What the actual... What in the nine hells am I looking at? Dude, I've messed around with many art programs before. This is one of the top strangest I've seen. Like, no joke. What in the fresh hell am I looking at right now? Oh my god. We got a little charcoal etching going on here. I mean, I'm not even really drawing right now. I'm just dinking around. This probably not get a lot of views. That's okay. I don't care. This is fun. Oh, here we go. My favorite. Look at this. Watch this. Bubbles! Oh my god, the bubbles! Bubbles. Just bubbles, guys. And look at food! What in the hell? I don't know what I'm making now. It's just getting weirder. No, watch this. You wanna get freaked out? You wanna freak out for a moment with me? Watch this. Get freaked out. Ah! Oh god, not Rorschach! I'm just using my pen. I'm just moving around on the screen. Oh my god, this is messing with me. Oh, this little ding 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 bong ding 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 boo. Oh, those are my favorites. For those who are old enough to remember this, remember the little comic strip For Better or For Worse? Yo, check it. Where'd little Timmy go? He went that way, or maybe that way, or maybe around the corner and went that way, right there in the middle. Oh, Timmy, you little so-and-so. We'll beat your little ass soon now, boy. Oh my god. Yeah, the next video, I might have to use this. This is just... It gets nuttier and nuttier. Like, this is messing with my head. As an artist, this messes with my head a lot. It really does. I kind of like this one, though. The one I'm doing right now on the screen. I kind of like that a little bit. I mean, dude, look, I'm making some kind of weird impressionist artwork on the screen. I'm just tapping random buttons right now. But, dude, this is crazy. I've seen some pretty weird ones. I mean, like, weird. Let's see what this one does. Woo! Wow, guys! Wow! Oh, this one's the freakiest one. Here we go. I don't know what this. The freakiest one. Check this out. What in the Twilight Zone Silent Hill is this? What? What? It's the what, mate? What? Oh my god! It's coming right for us! Oh no! Oh my god! It just gets nuttier. What? I didn't even try this one. Oh my god. It's doing like bubble bursts. I can't keep up with this. All right, so what this program does is it's using the GPU of my laptop to determine the artwork on the screen. That's why it looks kind of random right now, okay? I was trying to figure out what the hell's going on. I have to look it up. So, like I said, it's going by the GPU of your whatever your program is onto your screen. So however fast it is, it's going to show me. But I mean, like, even so, just look. What? This is like Photoshop on crack. It really is. I don't. It just goes everywhere, man. I don't even know where to start. Like, I can make some straight up abstract art with this junk. I mean, I can't even keep up with it. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, what? Oh, my brain! Dude, this is freaking me out. This is freaking me out. It really is. Just look. What? Last one. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so freaky. Oh, it's so freaky. Ah! I gotta make something with this. This is insanity. This is true insanity. Oh my god! They're like miniatures now. I just changed the size a little bit. Oh my god! I can't keep up with the colors. It's too much. Ah! I'm in the Matrix, bruh. The Matrix! I'm in the art Matrix! I'm downloading the computers and the porn! It's everywhere! Alright, stop right there. I'll stop messing around. Okay, so next time I'll make actual video. This is just a pure screw around video, but I had to make this. It's, oh my god, blows my mind. Alright, take care, guys. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you can. Like, share, and comment, whatever you want to do. Join the channel if you want to. My Patreon and my website in the bottom links, or have it flashed across the screen, who knows. And yeah, just have a good one. And please, please, please click the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.